Now let us see the 68th question. That is, the pKb of dimethylamine and pKa of acetic acid are given 3.25 and 4.77 respectively at temperature. The correct here they are asking what is the pH of dimethyl ammonium acetate. Firstly, write the given values. pKb value equal to 3.27 and pKa value is 4.77. We know that for a salt of weak acid and weak base does not depends on concentration of salt. Here we know that for a salt of weak acid and weak base, pH value does not depends upon the concentration of the salt. Direct formula, that is pH is equal to 7 plus 1 by 2 into pKa minus pKb. Now substitute above values in the given formula. It becomes pH equal to 7 plus 1 by 2 pK value, it means 4.77 minus 3.27. It gives rise to pH equal to 7 plus 1.50 by 2. It will give rise to 7 plus 0.75. The addition of 7 plus 0.75 becomes 7.75. So our answer is 4 is our correct answer. You have to remember that the weak acids and weak base, you use the formula pH is equal to 7 plus 1 by 2 pKa minus pKb.